In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep the same AI character in every scene using Popcorn AI. If your AI faces keep changing or they're not staying consistent, then this tutorial will fix that. I'll also show you how to take your consistent character image and use any Popcorn model to turn it into a full video. Popcorn's new AI feature makes character consistency incredibly easy, so let's jump straight into it.
Have you heard? Popcorn's new AI tool can keep the same characters across all images.
Oops. Looks like you're jumping into the next scene.
This is what freedom feels like.
Popcorn has just changed the game, literally. No more random faces, no more weird inconsistencies. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep the same character across all your scenes instantly. So let's make every shot feel like it belongs in the same movie. So once I've logged into Higgsfield, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Image and I'm going to go Create Storyboard. Okay, what I'm going to do now is enter my prompt, but before I do that, you see here there are two options. One is auto and one is manual. I have selected the auto, so I'm going to automatically allow Higgsfield Popcorn to generate my scenes for me. And in my prompt, I'm describing my scenes in terms of a man running through a jungle, he's going to be on a yacht, he's going to be standing on top of a tall building and so forth. So this is the prompt I'm going to give it. And then I'm going to click on generate for free, and this will go ahead and then create me the images that I want. Okay, the images are now starting to load. So these are the images that it has automatically generated for me, depending on the prompt that I've put in there. So you can see man running through a jungle, he's on the cliff, he's also on the yacht, and he's on a building as well. Okay, now that I've got all of my images that I want, what I'm going to show you now is how do I go ahead and create a video using these images. So first of all, what I'm going to do is select which image I want to create into a video. So I'm going to select the first image, the man running through the jungle. Select that, click animate, and it would bring me over to this screen where I create my video. So over here you can see my reference image at the top. And now I'm going to enter my prompt with the man running through the jungle with daylight coming through the trees. I'm going to select enhance on. And I'm going to go down into the different models that we have. And I'm going to choose the Sora 2 Pro Max model. So there's plenty of models here to choose from. I'm going to change the ratio to 1080p, or the resolution to 1080p shall I say. And the ratio is going to be set to 16:9. And once I've done that, I'm going to leave the duration as 12 seconds. Then I'm going to click on the generate button.
This is what freedom feels like.
Okay, and that was the video that it generated. But what I did was, as you can see here on the model, I had to change it to Google VO 3.1 because I was having some issues with Sora. I kept all the settings the same, and the duration that it allows me to keep is 8 seconds, as you can see that on the video as well. So it's come out pretty nice. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to do the same again for the next image. So I'm going to click on animate button, and it's going to take me to the create page for the video. I'm going to clear the previous prompt, and I'm going to enter a new prompt over here. I'm going to keep all the other settings the same. I'm not going to change anything, and I'm just going to go ahead and then just click on the generate video. Wow, honestly impressed with this. This came out looking really cool. So what's really impressive here is that how Popcorn is able to hold the character's look across complete different scenes. We have the jungle, the cliff, and you can see the yacht now, and it's all matching perfectly. Let's take a look at these Hulk scenes. completely different environments, completely different actions, but the character stays identical. This is exactly what Popcorn does best now. Every scene feels like it's from the same movie. It keeps that consistency across every single scene that we have. I hope you liked this video, and if you did like it, please do consider subscribing, do like and share this video, and I'll see you on the next one.